Hello and welcome to Southport Honda, part of the Cox Motor Group. This is just a short video to show off our lovely AWD EX. It's the next demonstrator car. It was actually the general manager's car. Very, very low miles, finished in this beautiful white. With it being the EX, it has absolutely everything in this, which I can go through briefly. It even has the upgraded alloys. Okay, so it's got really nice daylight running lights here, so it sort of sweep down like that. I'm a big fan of those. Obviously sensors all the way around, as you'd expect. The radar's in here for your adaptive cruise control. As it's a Honda approved car, it comes with the remainder of the 3 years roadside assistance and the remainder of the 3 years warranty. So we've got the reverse camera under there. We'll come to that in a little bit. Sensors all the way around, as you'd expect. This is the all-wheel drive model as well. It's actually done less than 2,000 miles, this car, so it is as immaculate as you'd expect. A lovely touch with the new EX is that you can open your boot just simply with a wave of the foot underneath. So you come to the car laden with shopping bags, you can open the boot without actually taking your keys out your pocket. Massive, massive boot. Got these good little handles here, so you can actually lower the back seats down without actually going all the way around and the faff of that. Just close that up. Loads and loads of space in the back. So the doors open really, really wide. I'm 6'2", and that's a leg room someone sat behind me. Really, really barely looks like anyone's even sat in the back of this car. Obviously you've got charge points in the back as well. As this is a quick video, just to let you have a quick look. If you want a much more thorough video showing you all the features, give one of our sales team a ring on 01704 500 501, where we can take your details and we can go over anything in detail that you like and answer any questions you may have. Really, really nice cabin. Obviously heated leather seats, as you'd expect. Really cool gear select, using just buttons. Wireless charger. Lovely crisp Garmin screen. Multifunction steering wheel. And the memory seats as well. All in all, a really, really nice car.